In today's video, I will teach you how to add sparkles to any object in GIMP. Let's get started. Start with any image where you want to add sparkles. This could be a photograph, text, or any other object. Then open the brush dialog by going to Windows, Dockable Dialogs, then Brushes, or simply use Shift-Control-B. Then click on the new brush at the bottom of the Brushes dialog. Then name the brush Glitter. Then choose the third option for Form, which controls the shape of the brush. Then set the radius depending on the size that you want the glitter to appear. A value around 75 works well for most objects. Then adjust other settings as shown in the screen. Now we're going to apply the sparkles. Select the paintbrush tool from the toolbox and ensure that the glitter brush is selected from the brush drop-down menu in the tool options. Then create a new transparent layer above your image layer by clicking the Create New Layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then click at different places on the image, focusing on the bright or highlighted areas where you want the sparkles to appear. Then vary the size of the brush occasionally to create different sizes of sparkles for a more natural look. And avoid overusing sparkles to maintain a subtle and effective effect. Now duplicate the layer containing the sparkles by going to Layer, then Duplicate Layer, then set the blending mode of the duplicated layer to Soft Light or Overlay to enhance the sparkle effect. Then move the duplicated layer below the original sparkle layer. This helps in intensifying the sparkle appearance without overwhelming the image. Then adjust the opacity of the layers as needed to control the intensity of the sparkle effect. And you can also merge all layers by going to Layer, then Merge Down if you're satisfied with the result. And you can save your image in your preferred file format by going to File, then Export As, and you can choose a format like PNG or JPEG to preserve transparency or compatibility respectively. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.